Blue Bliss Hair Studio, Suitland, Maryland.
Get ready for a new and more confident you. Get ready to be kissed.
Welcome to Blue Bliss, located in Suitland, Maryland, where we've been serving the community since 2014. Blue Bliss Hair Studio is a full-service family salon dedicated to furnishing a relaxing and enjoyable atmosphere and providing exceptional hair care services. At Blue Bliss Hair Studio, our passion is creating beautiful transformations and providing celebrity styles at an affordable price. We are an exclusive boutique salon staffed by seasoned and talented stylists with years of professional experience. When you come into our salon, we'll consult and find the perfect look for you. A look that is suitable to your unique style, taste, and lifestyle. We pride ourselves in providing a high level of customer satisfaction by rendering quality services and using only the best products, techniques, and styles in the hair care industry. Makeovers at our Blue Bliss Beat Bar have the power to entirely transform a person's appearance, and it's our job to do it flawlessly.
Just the ladies, the music, just the whole vibe and the style of the whole rooming is just very fun and it's relaxing.
The reason why I love coming to Blue Bliss because the customer service and I get my face, feet, and my hair done at the same time.
My favorite part about coming to Blue Bliss is knowing that when I leave out the door, I'll be fabulous.
By the end of your visit to Blue Bliss Salon, we want you to be happy, confident, and be the person that you always wanted to be. It gives us a sense of supreme satisfaction that our beauty treatments can make our clients feel confident and make a lasting difference in their life.
Get ready to be kissed by Blue Bliss.
For more information, please call or visit us online. Please call or visit us online.